Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to knit the popcorn stitch in your pattern. So this is a little piece of my work where I have used popcorn stitch in this pattern, and if I turn this around it looks like this. This is the wrong side of my knitting. You can make your sweater, pullover or cardigan out of this design. See, so to make this popcorn stitch in your pattern, you need to cast on multiples of any odd number stitches, right? So for this piece I have used multiples of 9 stitches. So what you do here is, you in your first round of your popcorn stitch, this is your first round, this is the second, third, fourth, right? It goes like that. In your first round you knit your first 9 stitches, right? And after that you make a popcorn stitch, and then you knit your 9 stitches again and make a popcorn stitch, right? And in your second round you knit your first 4 stitches and then you make a popcorn stitch, and after that you knit your 9 stitches and make popcorn stitch, right? And you're going to repeat your round and round 2 for your entire pattern, right? So let's get into this video. So first let me finish my button band. So I have finished my button band part. So now you're going to knit your 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now you're going to, this is the stitch you're going to knit your popcorn stitch, right? So now you're going to knit through the front loop, and now in that same stitch you're going to knit through the back loop like that, right? And you're going to do that one more again, knit through the front loop, and lastly knit through the back loop in that same stitch, right? And slip that stitch. Now you have 4 stitches here, and now you're going to slip your second stitch over your first stitch, and again slip your second stitch over your first stitch, and lastly you're going to slip your last stitch over your first stitch like that. Now we have made our popcorn stitch, right? And then knit your 9 stitches again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again this is the stitch where you are going to knit your popcorn stitch. So knit through the front, and in that same stitch knit through the back. Again knit through the front and knit through the back, right? And now slip your second stitch over your first, slip your second stitch over your first, and lastly slip your last stitch over your first stitch, right? And knit 9 stitches again, and you're going to continue knitting like that all the way across, right? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after you finish this row you're going to pull your next row, and after that you're going to knit 4 more rows, right? And in your 5th row you're going to start to knit your popcorn stitch again, right? So I'll see you there in a bit, right? Sorry. So we have just knit our 4 rows here. Now we are on our second round of our popcorn stitch, right? So in our second round you're going to knit your first 4 stitches this time, 2, 3 and 4, and now you're going to make a popcorn stitch here. So knit through the front loop, and in that same stitch knit through the back loop. One more time, knit through the front and knit through the back, and we have 4 stitches here, and slip your second stitch over your first stitch, slip your second stitch again over your first stitch, and last one, slip your last stitch over your first stitch, and we have made our popcorn stitch here, and knit 9 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and again make a popcorn stitch through the back, knit through the front and knit through the back, right? And continue doing that for all the way across, right? And after you finish this round, you're going to repeat your round and round 2 for all your pattern, right? So thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you, and also subscribe to my channel, right? So I'll see you on my next video. Bye.